Is it just me, or did you also dream of being an astronaut when you were a kid? I used to imagine myself floating through outer space, the Earth beneath me like a small blue marble. Turns out there's an actual name for this phenomenon. It's called the overview effect, and it's profoundly changed astronauts' perceptions. And if you watch this video till the end, I'll teach you some techniques that you can use to change your perspective without leaving this Earth's atmosphere. But first, an astronaut story. Ron Garan, a NASA astronaut, vividly recalls the moment the overview effect changed him forever. While orbiting Earth on the International Space Station, he looked out the window and saw our planet, a vibrant blue orb, suspended in the vastness of space. In that instant, Ron's understanding of the world shifted. Borders vanished, conflicts seemed trivial, and the need for unity and environmental stewardship became crystal clear. He realized that we are all passengers on the same spaceship, Earth. Upon returning home, Ron's experience in space deeply influenced his beliefs and actions. He became an advocate for global water access and sustainability, striving to apply the unity he felt in space to solving earthly challenges. Ron's story is a powerful testament to how the overview effect can inspire astronauts to bring about positive change. Most of us won't get to float in space like Ron and other astronauts, unless SpaceX starts offering economy seats. But the essence of the overview effect can still inspire us. It teaches the value of shifting perspectives to foster empathy, unity, and a deeper commitment to our global home. Here are 4 practical ways we can apply its wisdom in our daily lives. First, temporal distancing. Project yourself into the future when faced with today's decisions. How will you regard your current choices in a day, 10 days, 10 years from now? Imagining the future impact of your decisions can help guide you to make better long-term decisions that align with your values and well-being. Second, role-taking. Adopt the viewpoint of another, be it a leader, a family member, or a mentor. How would they navigate your situation? And by taking another person's perspective, you can develop empathy and unveil novel solutions and understandings. Third, environmental shifts. Change your surroundings to shift your mental outlook. A new environment can spark creativity and offer fresh perspectives on your lingering challenges. Fourth, reflective writing. Document your current predicament as if advising a dear friend or from the standpoint of your future self. This can untangle complex emotions and clarify the path forward. Consider the challenge of convincing a community to adopt more sustainable practices. By leveraging the overview effect, you might invite community members to view the Earth from space through virtual reality, documentaries, or immersive presentations. This shared experience can shift perspectives from individual concerns to a collective vision, making the idea of sustainability a unifying goal rather than a divisive issue. The overview effect is more than a space phenomenon. It's a call to broaden our perspectives and recognize our shared destiny on this beautiful planet. Inspired by visionaries like astronaut Ron Garan, let's commit to viewing our challenges through the wider lens, fostering a sense of global community and responsibility. Together we can safeguard our spaceship Earth for future generations.